What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to play Jocelyn Flores by XXXTentacion. But first of all, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. But without further ado, let's get started. Well, let me just take you through the rundown. So just so you know what it sounds like. First of all, if you have a capo, place it onto the second fret right here. So here's what it's going to sound like. So for the first chord, what you're going to do is you're going to place your index finger here, and then you're going to place your middle finger right here on this string, and then you've got these two fingers left, so place it here on the third string and also the fourth string right underneath, and then the strings I'm going to pluck are 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, so first it's like, and then the next chord is going to be, so if you just count from here, that's 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to place your index finger here on this string here, and then you're going to place your middle finger onto this string here on the fourth string right here, and then the fifth string right there. So the bass line for that is going to be this. I like to hit the last string because it gives it that sort of like mystery sound. So the next chord is going to be this one here. So index finger here, ring finger, middle finger, and then ring finger, all in the same fret. So bass line. So I use all my fingers. So I'm using my fingers and also my thumb. The only string that I'm not playing is the second one. So, and then the last chord is going to be just this one finger, but the bass line for that is going to be. That's it. You just repeat those chords and that's the song. So what we have here is we have the first chord. So there you have it, folks. XXXTentacion, Jocelyn Flores. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you guys next time. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. But for now, stay blessed and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.